So if you ever have trouble logging in and you forget your password, it's very easy to do. Just go to govsalesuniversity.com, and at the top right you'll see the login button. Once you click that, I'll take you to a place where you can sign in using LinkedIn, Google, or Salesforce, or you can put in your email address, which is your username, and the password you created. If you forgot your password, simply go down here, click Reset Password, and then you'll put in the email address that you used when you activated your account. Type that in, and then click Send. And what that will do is trigger an email, send it to your inbox, and you can create a new password. You'll know it's complete once you see this green box up top. Thanks so much for watching.